working with this organization is very happy, and I'm also sure that you are committing your best for this organization. And I must assure that the entrepreneurs of this organization, they are very kind and very sympathetic human beings, very sympathetic entrepreneurs who are really focused on the well-being of their workers.
Yes, thank you, sir.
And that's why probably the secret of the success of their organization is now evident. And I also heard that they have another company which is a large limousine company, and I'm sure that they are successful in that company as well in terms of financial or economic benefit and in terms of the well-being of the workers. So let me wish them all the best to Samsat Doha Food Delivery and the limousine company they have, and I hope that all of you, with the blessings of Almighty Allah, will contribute to
নানান ব্যবসার সাথে কোম্পানি জড়িত আছে। আমি
Ashen, yes.
উপলক্ষে আমাদের যে সকল রাইডারদের ফুড ডেলিভারির পক্ষ থেকে সবাইকে জানাচ্ছি আন্তরিক শুভেচ্ছা। আজকে আমাদের বর্ষ ভর্তি মিলন মেলা উপলক্ষে আমরা সবাই একসাথে হয়েছি, আপনারা সবাই দোয়া করবেন।
And how is you working? How is your feelings? Share.
I'm feeling good for Sam Doha.
Like this.
We are very, very happy. Like if we don't come with this company, we don't feel happy. All the time we are very happy. We can have problem. Some
Salary?
issue. Salary time. If you come, give it.
Bah.
No, go come.
Talia.
It is very good. The manager, all the supervisors
Talia.
are very good. We are very happy.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আমি শ্যাংস লেবুজির ডেলিভারি ফুড ডেলিভারি করতেছি আজকে 3 বছর ধরে। ভাইয়ের কাছে আমাদের কোম্পানি খুব ভালো, সব কিছুতেই আমাদেরকে স্যাক্রিফাইস করে বা আমাদেরকে সুযোগ সুবিধাটা দেয়। সবসময় আমরা হ্যাপি। শামস দোহা লেবুজি খুবই ভালো কোম্পানি।
Kenya, yeah.
My name is Rasaman Okeri from Kenya. I'm representing Kenyans here under Shams Doha. I've been this company almost 3 years ago. It's the company which has been going. It's a good company. Everything is okay, money is okay, the bills are okay. Also, the result come on time. We love the company so much, and we are happy to be Shams Doha.
Thank you very much.
Jina ni George Moremi Moi. Mimi ni dereva hapa kampuni ya Shams Doha.
Show details.
Na shukuru sana kampuni kwa kunipa nafasi mimi na Wakenya na Watanzania ambao tunafanya kazi hapa Shams Doha. Tunasema Mungu abariki Shams Doha Limousine.
Salajan. Sabai, yes. Happy.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
More.
Okay, boss.
Say thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Even good driver, this one.
Wow, very good.
600 plus.
Mashallah. Very good.
और क्या है